Today's word is sanctimonious. Sanctimonious is spelled as SANCTIMONIOUS. Sanctimonious. What is the meaning of sanctimonious? Someone described as sanctimonious behaves as though they are morally superior to others. Language or behavior that suggests the same kind of moral superiority can also be described as sanctimonious. Example of sanctimonious in a sentence. While the subject matter was interesting, I found the presenter's sanctimonious tone rather distracting. Sanctimonious in context. Smart and sincere but never sanctimonious, the awareness-raising drama doubles as a public service message of sorts. Synonyms of sanctimonious: pious, meaningless, moralistic, strained, superficial, hypocritical.